Good afternoon. Last lecture we have seen the rates and the ratio of fatal events. That is, we find the sex ratio. That is, sex ratio is the female population divide male population into 1000. That is, sex ratio equal to female population divide male population into 1000. That is sex ratio. In this lecture, we study the death rate or specific death rate. Death rate. That is, we find the ratio of the death rates is the number of death during the year. Number of the death during the year. Number of the deaths during the year divide mid-year population. That is, number of deaths during the year divide number of mid-year population into 1000. That is the finding of the death rate. That is, number of death during the year divide mid-year population into 1000. That is the finding of death rate. Next, we see the specific death rate. Specific death rates. That is, specific death rate of an accident or disease or cancer. We find the specific death rate with the help of specific death rate. That is the first, we see the specific death rate equal to number of death number of the death during the calendar year. During the calendar year divide mid-year population. Mid-year population into 1000. That is the specific death rate. That is, we find the specific death rate of accident. We find the specific death rate of any disease. We find the death rate of COVID. That is the number of death during the calendar year divide mid-year population into 1000. That is the specific death rate. Next, we see the specific rate of males. Specific death rates of male. That is, number of death among males during the academic calendar, academic year, number of death, number of the death number of death among male during a calendar year. And divide mid-year population. Mid-year population into 1,000. That is, we find a specific death rate. That is disease, that is male, that is female, that is accident case, that is during specific age group. That is, we find a specific death rate with the help of this formula. That is, specific death rate of male is the number of deaths among male during the academic calendar. Divide mid-year population into 1,000. And next, specific death rate of the in age group 15 to 20 years. That is, specific death rates in the age of 15 to 20 years people or child. That is, number of deaths among the number of deaths of person 15 to 20 years in calendar year. Divide mid-year population into 1,000. That is the specific death rate of in age group 15 to 20 years. 15 to 20 years. Next, death rate of January. Death rate of January. That is, we find the death rate of specific month. That is January, February, March, any month. That is death in the month of January into 12. That is, 12 is the month in the year, and divide mid-year population into 1,000. That is, death rate of month of January. That is, death rate in the month of January into 12. 12 is the total month in the year. That is, in academic year, in last we say the academic year, but this is the 12 month. Divide mid-year population into 1,000. And last, weekly death rate is equal to death death in the week, and total week of the year is 52. Divide mid-year population into 1000. That is weekly death rate. Is death in the week into 52. 52 is the total week in the academic year, calendar year. Divide mid-year population into 1000. That is the specific death rate.